Hi everybody, Michael here. Just wanted to come on to say a quick hello and hope everybody is doing well. Just two things. We see an awful lot of people recently who are diagnosed with different types of cancers and different types of autoimmune diseases and stuff like that. And one area that is not really looked at, I suppose, much within medicine is the microbial area. So we all have an ecology. The microbes in our gut are created first when we get them from our mother from birth, and the microbial system then from there develops based on the type of stress we have, the food we eat, and so on. So what we're seeing a lot of the time is people are developing conditions that are often associated with the microbial system. Now that's the ecology of our body. So in our gut, we have an ecology, well, literally all over our body, but primarily in our gut, we have an ecology, our ecosystem, our microbial system. Now they consist of bacteria, fungi, viruses and so on. And rather than trying to kill everything off with antibiotics, I think what we need to do is bring some degree of balance back to them. So the way to do that is through the diversity of your food. First of all, you have to keep your stress levels down, because if the nervous system of your body is overloaded with stress, then this tightens the gut and you will not be able to process your food properly. Then, of course, proper sleep. This is the second thing. And the third thing is the food. So if you can keep the body relaxed, keep that nervous system stop it from overloading, get proper food into your body, and then, of course, get good sleep. Those three things alone will prevent a lot of problems. But the microbial system of the body is directly associated with every condition known to man. You can literally not have a disease in your body without the ecology primarily involved. That's number one. The second thing I want to chat to you about is this. Your genetics, I posted this the other day, your genetics do not determine your future. In actual fact, your DNA have little or no say also. What has emerged since 2007 is this whole area of what we call epigenetics. And this is the layer above the gene. And basically our environment is what triggers most of the problems. So all of the issues that we see in modern day life is primarily down to the environment. The way we live our lives, our sleep, our poor diet, the stresses, the long hours we're working, all of these things are what constitute our environment. If that is stressed and it's not looked after properly, then expect your body, your biosystem to become sick. The real key here is this. Now that we understand the science of this, we can now say to you that yes, you have the power to change your environment, to change your approach towards how it is that you can influence your body. Most importantly, that you have the power to shape your own future. Most importantly, that no matter what's going on with you right now, that your body can recover. And it's not nice words. There are lots of people who like to theorize about this, but the science now really tells us that we have the power to recover from various types of illnesses. Of course, we need to support often of medicine as well involved in this, but that's okay. The real key is this. Don't separate yourself from yourself. Don't think that someone has a magic wand, magic pill, and it's going to solve your problem. What I'm saying to you, my experience is that if you take the right approach, that your genes and your DNA even do not absolutely determine where it is you're going. You have the power to determine your own destiny. You've got to get your mind in the right zone. That takes a lot of time and effort and work. So any questions, please share. Only delighted to help if we can at all. Just get that into your head. You can change your life. And it's not just theory, as I said. The science is very well established. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll be chatting to you over the coming days. Bye-bye.